Good afternoon, everyone. This is Tamara Leomer with Arizona Resource Realty, and I am here today with Tiffany McDaniel, getting ready to walk you through our newest listing, 8187 Stallion Drive in Payson, Arizona. And as you can see, it has a beautiful front elevation. Really wonderful custom home here. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Really spacious yard, 0.27 acres. Hi, Tiffany.
Hello, hello. Beautiful covered front porch here.
Yes, definitely. Yeah.
Fully fenced, like Tamara said, 0.27 acres. Seems larger than that. You've got fruit trees and drip system, RV parking.
Okay, love the floors.
The home is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath.
Okay. I'll just walk over through the kitchen real quick, and
Breakfast bar.
lots of cabinets. That's nice. Okay,
Kitchen
dining area.
combo.
All right.
Nice size living room here.
Okay.
With fireplace. And when you go down the hall to your right is the first bathroom.
To my right. Okay.
And it also houses the washer and dryer.
I see there. Okay. Really nice tub. Tile surround. Okay.
And then off to your right is bedroom 1, which is a large bedroom. As you can see, there's 2 sets of bunk beds and plenty of room in between.
Yeah, there sure is a really nice size room.
And then the main bedroom and bathroom. You've got the dual vanities. You've got a full bathroom in here with tile surround on the shower, skylights, and then just a big main bedroom, big closet area. And you do have some views of the rim out the window there. Just love the little white picket fence out there, but you can just see what a big yard I think it is, probably. And then the added bonus, we will take you to the guest house or in-law quarters or short-term rental possibility. Actually, I'm just gonna walk you out here just a little bit more just so you can see how big this yard is. And then it goes off back this direction too. Separate dog run area, separate garden area, RV gate, just a nice level lot. It's the storage and water heater closet right there. Nice flagstone, easy to keep clean. And then this is the in-law quarters. Little kitchenette set up right there. And then we have a 3/4 bathroom.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's nice, and it has a shower. Great bonus room, right?
Yeah, like I said, it could be
a
short-term rental, in-law. You have a 2-car garage.
Okay, yeah, that's really nice and spacious there. Okay.
And then you go up the stairs, that's the bedroom area. It's a large loft bedroom area. And you can see you could put a couple of beds in here. Nice big bonus room, as I said. So you have a total of 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, 2-car garage on 0.27 acres, horses allowed, RV parking. Just tons of concrete parking area.
Yeah, really.
Lots of vehicles, lots of trailers, toys, whatever. Not far from National Forest.
Let's just take a look at the front here, the elevation from the front. And okay, so as you can see, a beautiful custom home, Payson, Arizona. Thank you for taking this tour with us today. Until next time.
Make it a great day.